In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert text above a table in Microsoft Word. This might seem like a simple task, but if you've worked with tables in Word, you know that sometimes things don't go as smoothly as you'd hope. No worries though, I'm here to guide you through the process with a couple of easy methods. So let's dive right in. First, let's make sure you have your Microsoft Word file open. Once you've located the document you want to work with, go ahead and open it up. Now find the table that you want to add text above. Once we've got that ready, we're all set to start. For the first method, the solution is surprisingly straightforward. You'll want to locate the very first cell of the table. This is usually positioned in the top left corner. Once you've highlighted it, simply press Enter on your keyboard. By doing this, the entire table should move down, creating a nice empty space right above it for you to start typing anything you'd like. Whether it's a title, an introductory paragraph, or just a note to yourself, this method is quick and efficient for adding text above your table. In the event that the first method doesn't quite meet your needs, there's another option available that offers just a little more control over the movement of your table. For this, you'll want to begin by selecting the whole table. To do this, click on the small four-headed arrow icon that appears in the top left corner when you hover over your table. This will ensure that your entire table is highlighted and ready for your next action. With the table selected, look to the top of your window and find the Layout tab. Clicking here will reveal a series of options that pertain specifically to the layout of your table. Within these options, locate Split Table. When you click this, the table will automatically shift downward, effectively splitting the text and moving the entire table down the page, creating room for you to type above it. And there you have it, simply done. You now know two efficient methods for adding text above a table in Microsoft Word. Whether you choose the quick Enter key method for straightforward tasks or the Layout tab for more complex documents, you can feel confident in managing your text sections with ease. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to try both techniques and see which one fits best with your workflow. Thanks for watching and happy word processing.